This tutorial is for people trying to figure out where your photos are or what's the difference between cloud storage and local storage. In this example, we'll take a photo with a mobile phone. The photo is stored on the phone, but likely it's also automatically copied to a cloud storage if you have an account with one of these cloud storage services. You'll be able to view these files on your computer if you're logged into the service, but the image is only on the server. So you'll need to download it to your computer for local storage if you want to view when you're not online. So the photo started on your phone. A copy is sent to cloud storage, where you can view it at home when online. But again, you'll need to download it for local storage to your computer.